Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you uh, a new feature in Microsoft Stream, the possibility to record a short video. We had until now the classical Stream application homepage. So if we would go here, we will get to this old page, but actually there's a new page which will automatically be redirected. So the way to do that, the workaround is we will go back to Microsoft Office.com and let's choose in the 9 dots. Let's choose, for instance, forms. So we will take the URL here and we will place, instead of forms here, we will write streams. Okay, so actually now this brings us to the new stream page. You can switch to the old one, classical, here. What we see here is actually not really much. You can see the recommended, and here you can see all kinds of videos from your OneDrive, and you can see some activities, maybe filter by activity type if you're mentioned, or by time. You can upload a video. But the new feature that just came out is this new recording. Now, until now, when I would click it, I would get something was wrong, but now it's working. So let's try it. Now, the first time that I turned it on, I got some message hey, you see, actually, it's saying, do you agree to use the microphone and camera? So I will approve that. This is in Hebrew, but it should appear in your language. So actually, you see that actually I'm here, and the first thing you see here that we see it's for 15 minutes only. We see it's under stream and there's a camera, and below we have some controls and buttons. So let's explore them. So actually, if we click here on backdrop, actually we can choose like a background. So if I choose this background and click preview, let's try that. So it's a bit stuck. And let's try something. Oh, here we go. Now here actually I can also choose if I want my picture to be to the right or to the left or centered and fronted. Now let's choose something else. You can see here that we can choose to clear the background. What we can do here is to use the blur, and here we could actually use a screen, one of the screens, even what I'm sharing. So if I'm clicking this, I'm actually sharing the computer background in behind of me. I can stop sharing. Let's stop doing that. What I can do is also add the other image if I want. So I can choose from one of these images. It can either be an image or even a video. Okay, so this is an image. Let's just show you that you can use a video. So I will search for my fishes, where I should have here something, but I'm sure you believe me. So we will find it very soon. Okay, so until now we saw all of these, and let's choose the one I choose is this bridge. And okay, so now what else can we see? So next is actually we can use the effects. So the effects can be before we start the video or during the video. So let's choose a image. I can upload a JPEG or PNG. So as you see here, I will look for an image. So this is my avatar, and I can put it here as a logo or something. What else can we do? Actually, we can take a pen and I could choose a color and thickness, and I can do this before the meeting or during or before the recording or after. So we'll show you both. What else can we do here is actually take some text. We can choose a format, and here I can type SharePoint wizard. Okay, and I could bring it. Actually, I'm moving myself, but I should be able to move actually also. This is cool. Also the text. Let's see what else we have here. We have filters, so we can choose. I want this filter, this to make it extreme, and or we can just leave it without filter. So let's keep it like that. Here we have additional options like only to put a microphone. We could use a mirror video. We can mute, and we have some device settings. What is the camera and what is the microphone? So let's choose it back to what we have here, and actually we have we can record also the screen. And now we'll click on the circle, and it will do a countdown. And actually now I'm during the recording, and I can talk and I can see what I'm doing. During the meeting I also can do all of these settings, like say I'm in the beach, and actually I can also put some effects, and I can take some pen and say uh, this is the sun, and this is what I'm explaining. Again, this video is limited for 15 minutes, but sometimes it's good enough. So all of these filters I can do during or before. And here we have the options again. Let's see what this is doing a mirror. This is muting. And what else? So if we're happy, actually you see I can play also with a location. If we're happy, we can click on next. If we're not happy, we can click on retake. So let's click on and so actually you saw I played it and I saw it. I can decide if it's good enough. If not, I can retake. For some reason, something like I saw here something that was a bit. If I play again, okay, I saw something black here. But actually, if I listen through it and I'm happy, I can click publish, and now it's preparing the video. Notice that it ends with webm. I can download it here. Now actually, so actually it opens up the video, and here I can go to the settings, and I can choose if I want to add a thumbnail to upload. I can give a description. I can decide if I want to generate a caption. Sorry, that caption and transcript. I can activate the chapters and the comments. So once everything is activated, then I can say at this area, I can say I want to, this will be chapter 1, topic 1, and I need to click here on the V. I'll go to the 0.16 and click here. It automatically puts the time, and I can say this is step 2. This we had before, and but it helps the user to get to the section he wants. People can add comments. Once we're done, we can download it. We can share it, copy the link, and we can manage access. If we click here, we can see where it's stored. You see the extension is webm, I'm not familiar with it. I was sure it would be stored like a MP4. So actually, it doesn't store it in a specific folder. This is a video I did before. If I run it, then actually I can see. So you see here also we can do all of these settings. So this is the first overview of actually this stream recording option. Try it by yourself. I'm currently targeted release. So it will arrive in GA probably end of September or beginning of October. Um, the recording has a limitation of 15 minutes. By the way, in Teams there should be also the option also in the chat to make I think a 1 minute recording.